Imagine this. You're chilling at home, maybe binge-watching your favorite show, and suddenly you crave pizza. Instead of grabbing your phone, why not let Python do the work? Yes, indeed, you're not dreaming. From margarita to pepperoni, veggie to Hawaiian, your wish is Python's command. It's like having your very own magic pizza genie. But instead of rubbing a lamp, you're running a script. First things first, make sure you have Python installed on your system. Next, install Selenium, the magic wand behind our automation using pip. Simply run pip install Selenium. Depending on your browser, download the WebDriver, like Chrome driver for Google Chrome, and ensure it's in your system's path. Let's kick things off by diving into our code. The first step will be to import the WebDriver module from Selenium, which is the core component that allows us to control the web browser programmatically. Next, we import the by module. This module provides a set of strategies to locate elements on a web page. And now we have the WebDriver wait module, which is all about patience. In web automation, things don't always load instantly. This class allows us to wait for certain conditions to be met before moving on, ensuring that elements are present and ready for interaction. The next module is expected_conditions or EC, which contains a set of predefined conditions to use with our waits. Finally, timeout exception is crucial for handling errors. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, an element might not load in time. When this happens, a timeout exception is raised. By importing this, we can gracefully handle such situations, ensuring our script doesn't crash unexpectedly. We will move on to initialize the WebDriver with webdriver.chrome, which essentially starts up a new Chrome browser that we can control with our script. Next, we open the pizza ordering website. Here, I've used a placeholder URL for Papa's Pizza in Ghana. Make sure to replace this with the actual URL of the pizza ordering site you want to automate. So now many websites ask you to accept cookies. This code waits up to 10 seconds for the cookie consent button to appear and then clicks it. If the button isn't found, it catches a timeout exception and prints a message, allowing us to proceed without accepting cookies. Now, depending on if the website requires you to enter your current location, like in my scenario, you will go ahead to entering your location. This line of code waits until the location input field is present, and then enters Taifa Ghana as the value. Be sure to replace this with your actual location to ensure the delivery goes to the right place. Once the location is entered, we find and click the Locate Me button. Here, we're using a CSS selector to locate the button. This selector targets a button with specific classes that ensure we're clicking the correct one. Moving on to the main event, selecting our pizza. This line waits for the pizza item, identified by its unique ID, to become clickable and then clicks it. You'll need to inspect the website to find the correct ID for the pizza you want. Finally, we add our selected pizza to the cart. Here, we're locating the Add to Cart button using a CSS selector with multiple classes to ensure we're targeting the right element. Once located, we click it to add our pizza to the cart. Now, let's debug the program to see how everything works in action. As you can see, after running the program, the Chrome browser opens automatically, navigates to the pizza website, inputs the location, and selects the preferred pizza. And that wraps up part 1 of our tutorial. In the next video, we'll tackle the final steps, completing the checkout process and placing our order. Make sure to tune in and subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on the exciting conclusion. See you soon.